The Bail Project is suing the state's Department of Insurance over a new law which puts restrictions on charitable bail organizations. Attorneys say the law, quote, singles out the organization for paying cash bail on a frequent basis. Fox 59 investigator Courtney Crown, she has been working this story since the beginning, investigating the Bail Project for months. She joins us now with some of these new details of the lawsuit. Courtney?
Well, Fanchon, the Bail Project and its lawyer says this law is unconstitutional. They say the rules placed on the organization hinders its ability to operate and advocate and therefore violates its First Amendment rights.
The Bail Project is suing Indiana's Department of Insurance. It filed a lawsuit today saying a new state law infringes on its constitutional rights of excessive advocacy work.
The First Amendment allows us all to advocate for our positions, and it's commonly understood that one way of doing that is through money. The Supreme Court has told us that if you're going to impinge on that right and limit that right, there must be very good reasons for doing so.
The Bail Project advocates for an end to cash bail. It's based on their view no one should stay in pretrial lockup after a judge sets bail because of the defendant's inability to pay.
When somebody who might actually be a danger to the community and they have access to resources, they're getting out of jail.
House Enrolled Act 1300 goes into effect on July 1st. It prohibits charitable bail organizations from bailing out people charged with violent crimes and requires organizations to only pay bail for those deemed indigent.
This law does set a double standard. It certainly allows the for-profit bail bond industry to remain unfettered. They can bail out anybody they want.
If the organization pays cash bail for more than 3 people in a 180-day period, it must have a license. The lawsuit states the Department of Insurance's commissioner may deny or take away a group's certification for things like incompetency or untrustworthiness.
We have the ability of the Bail Project to be told they can't function in Indiana at all if they're deemed to be untrustworthy. There are no standards, and standardless administration of advocacy activity is unconstitutional.
That bill was passed into law shortly after our investigation into the Bail Project. We found 2 people the organization bailed out were charged with committing a murder after their release, and another is charged with ambushing 2 police officers and stabbing them. Yet the Bail Project points to its other clients, hundreds of which it says deserve help getting out of jail pre-trial.
You are presumed innocent under the law, regardless of the charge. Once a judge has made that determination about this person's able to leave the jail and sets a dollar amount, you now have wealth-based detention because people who can afford it are going to get out.
And we also talked to the Attorney General's office, who will be representing the state and the statute. Attorney General Todd Rokita says the arguments are connected to the notion that money is speech. Rokita insists the Bail Project's rights are not violated.
This is taking money and injecting it into the criminal justice system to prove a point, perhaps, but also to potentially impede on other people's rights, namely their safety, and to cause a disincentive where there used to be an incentive for a person to return to face justice. You now could possibly be creating a disincentive. So it goes way beyond, in our opinion, the right of free speech.
Well, the Bail Project says they have a 95% return to court rate for their clients in Marion County. We have not independently confirmed that. Dan.